Alright, Assembly Dojo, Technique 19, once and done. Make a button that can only be tapped once.
You often have cases where you want an object to respond to the first tap, but not to any further taps. So how exactly do we do that? It's hard to write AI that's not respond to any taps after the first. On the other hand, it's easy to create AI for the exact opposite. More specifically, AI that sets to respond only to the first tap. How do you detect if the tap is the first tap or not? Well, let's focus on how we can tell the difference between the first tap and the second tap. In this case, pay attention to how the first tap serves as a trigger for turning the switch on. In addition to the tap-based trigger, we can add a switch condition to the trigger so we can tell that if the switch is off, it's the first tap. If the switch is on, it's the second tap. As long as create AI that executes the action only when the switch is off, guaranteed and it only responds to the first tap.